Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Ejaz for online lecture on chemistry part 2 from University of Narwal. Today we are going to study next addition reactions of alkenes. Second addition reaction for alkene is addition of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides are represented as HX. X stands for halogen atom. It may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. When we take hydrogen halide for addition to an alkene having CC double bond, one atom from HX goes to one carbon of double bond and the second atom goes to the second carbon of the double bond. HX is a polar molecule or unsymmetrical molecule in which there is present a lot of difference between electronegativities of hydrogen and halogen. Halogen atoms are more electronegative, much more electronegative than hydrogen atoms, as a result of which HX bond becomes polar. Halogen atom acquires partial negative charge as it is more electronegative, and electron cloud is attracted towards halogen atom, and hydrogen atom becomes partial positively charged. The addition takes place in such a way that the negative part of the adding reagent HX goes to that carbon atom of double bond which has less number of hydrogen atoms. This addition is according to a very important rule which will be defined as Markovnikov's rule. So halogen atom goes to CH and hydrogen goes to CH2. For example, if we have ethene in which both carbons of double bond contains equal number of hydrogen atoms, so there is no need of Markovnikov's rule if we have to add HCl, HBr in ethene. Hydrogen of HCl goes to one carbon and chlorine goes to the other carbon, and we get ethyl chloride and alkyl halide. The order of addition of HX depends on bond energy of HX bond. HI bond has the least bond energy, so the addition of HI is the easiest addition to an alkene. Bond energy of HCl bond is much greater than HBr or HI. So the order of ease of addition of HX is HI can be easily added to any alkene, and HCl is difficult to add to an alkene due to its higher bond energy. So this addition can be explained by a mechanism which consists of two steps. In first step, any alkene molecule like ethene, which is an electron containing a molecule, pi electron. So it is a nucleophile. In HX molecule, hydrogen atom carrying partial positive charge is an electrophile. So this electrophilic center attracts electron charge of pi electrons towards itself. So this pi bond is used to attach this partial positive hydrogen to one carbon of the double bond, and the second carbon of the double bond becomes electron deprived, because electron of pi bond have been taken by a hydrogen atom to make a bond with any one of the carbon atom of the ethene. The second carbon atom of the double bond becomes electron deficient and carries positive charge. So this positive carbon is representing a molecular ion in organic chemistry, which is called carbocation, carbon containing a positive charge. So this positive charge carbon attracts negative ion of halogen, which is produced in first step by separation of halogen atom from hydrogen of HX along with electrons of single bond. So this negative halide ion is attracted by positive carbon electrostatically, and CX bond is formed in second step, and product is completed. So this addition of hydrogen halide to an alkane, if alkane is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical alkane is the alkane in which both carbons of double bond having different number of hydrogen atoms. So the rule is Markovnikov's rule, can be asked as a short question in a paper. This rule states that if we have an unsymmetrical reagent, polar reagent having partial positive charge on one side and partial negative charge on the other side, this unsymmetrical reagent, when added to an unsymmetrical alkane with a different number of hydrogen atoms attached to carbons of double bond, the negative part of the adding reagent goes to that carbon constituting or making double bond which has a least number of hydrogen atoms. As in propene, the middle carbon has one hydrogen atom, and the terminal carbon constituting double bond having two hydrogen atoms. So bromine atom goes to central atom of carbon according to Markovnikov's rule. If we attach hydrogen with middle carbon and Br with the terminal carbon, the product is not actual product, it is not formed. It is 1 bromopropane, which is not the actual product. Actual product is 2 bromopropane, which is according to Markovnikov's rule. If we have an unsymmetrical alkane like 2-methyl propene, we can complete this reaction in two ways. If we add bromine to terminal carbon, so this is against Markovnikov's rule. 1 bromo 2-methyl propane is not the actual product. Actually, we will get 2 bromo. This carbon has a least number of hydrogen atoms. It is without hydrogen atom. And this carbon has 2 hydrogen atoms making double bond. So the actual product is 2 bromo 2-methyl propane. Third addition is addition of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 can be written as HOSO3H. OH bond of sulfuric acid is a polar or unsymmetrical bond. Hydrogen goes to one carbon of double bond of ethene, and the remaining part of sulfuric acid, OSO3H, is attached with second carbon of ethene, and the product is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen, and this OSO3 is SO4 sulfate. Cold and concentrated H2SO4 is used for this addition. When ethyl hydrogen sulfate is boiled with water at 100 degrees centigrade, we get ethyl alcohol. H2SO4 is reproduced. As in this addition, the overall reaction is addition of water. Hydrogen goes to one carbon of the double bond, and OH is attached with the other carbon of double bond. So this reaction of alkene is also called hydration reaction, addition of water. That's all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.